Hello and welcome to this demonstration. I will be walking you through how my I'll be walking you through how my website works. Please feel free, you have my permission to use all the video in this recording and overlay with your own voice as you do to make your videos as well as you do. So thank you. This is Brave. What you want to do is get Brave, but we're already in the Brave browser. So to get Brave, you just click Get Brave, and then it flags up as a download, and then you download it, and as you normally would. And Brave is at brave.com there. So you just Google it. Just Google Brave, search for that, top, it's the top website, top link, and you're on Brave. And once you've got Brave, open Brave and make sure that you have the right tools. So you need MetaMask. So if you go Brave extensions MetaMask, go on to that, and then you download MetaMask somewhere. Download MetaMask, get that working. That's a way of doing it. And then you get MetaMask downloaded for your operating system of choice. So Brave works well. You set up a wallet, and that's what you do. So let's go. You have it here. You have your accounts, your crypto transactions, and that's just how it works. So let's go on accounts, imported accounts, and you can do that here. And then when you're on MetaMask, as you see in the top right, and you're signed in with your Ethereum address, you might need a private key to get that working. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and go to the website YouView.Crypto, and we on that. We cross that, and then this is the website. It's a decentralized, it looks like this. YouView, that's the logo that's small in the top left, and you have home, my uploads, subscriptions, my channel, and you have to be, so this is Toby, so this is my channel, and you have to be logged in to be able to upload a video. So the minute we're logged in, so we'll log out, and then you click the connect wallet to log in. So let's go home and see what that looks like. Connect wallet, make sure you've got the right MetaMask working, and then let's connect wallet. We'll do that. It comes up with a prompt. This is completely safe. Signature request, like that. And then what we'll do is we'll upload a video, one of these videos, and you've got trending. So let's upload a video. So we select video file. Let's do one we haven't done. Test videos, Despacito. Let's do that one. Open. And I don't know how to spell Despacito. Despacito. Let's just get that Despacito, and then very cool music. Choose a category, music. So you have all these categories: music, gaming, sports, news, education, lifestyle, crypto, and other. And then you go music, and then you upload it, and then you just wait for it to load. So it's got a percentage there. See if we can zoom in on that, maybe. I don't want to ruin it. It's just uploading there. It's just uploading. 54%, 60%. It's uploaded like that. And let's zoom out. And then once it's uploaded, it will appear in latest uploads. And it's processing. Upload, finish, finalizing on the server. Don't close this tab. Upload complete, and then we have it at Peter Despacito. We can play that, and then it will just play. Takes a little while to hacer de tu cuerpo todo un manuscrito. Despacito, quiero desnudarte poquito a poquito. You've got recommended videos, which are, you know, recommended, and you just click on that. Bruno Mars, next video. That's what I like. In the Cadillac, girls put some like it. And if you're a premium, oh yeah, you can comment. So yeah, you can comment. Great song. So let's see if we can get a handle on. You can comment. Hello. Comment. And then we can zoom out. And then there's the comments there. Okay, and then we that all works nicely. And then if you're premium and you've got 0.01 Ethereum, then you can receive, and you pay for premium, a one-time payment, no renewal fees, no monthly subscription, one-time payment of 0.01 Ethereum, which is $30 at the moment. Then you can receive tips, and to do so, you custom tip. You can put in any amount of Ethereum you want, and the website takes none of the tip money, and it goes fully to the person. So you can just, yeah, we don't want to tip too much. Let's try tipping $3. Oh, but this is my own video, and then you can go ahead and do that. But we won't do that today. You know, yeah. So that's how you tip, and we also have. So you go on my channel. You can see your profile picture, your handle. You can save a handle. You got your videos that you've uploaded, and then if we change accounts, then we can actually DM each other. Log out, log in, and then if we go to Peter, we can go on home, like that.
Okay, so what I've
Peter, and we're subscribed. We can message channel, and then you can hello again, and you can message channels like that. And that's all the features. So it's a decentralized YouTube, all the features you'd want stored on the blockchain, and it works very nicely, and we won't have any censorship, and hopefully we post good videos. So I'm happy with that. Thank you for watching. This has been YouView.Crypto. Thank you very much. Yep. Thank you.